Hi all, today I'll show you how to do the EC reprogramming. See, the motherboard what we have is NMA362. It is of Lenovo IdeaPad G50-80 and the EC chip is IT8586E. First what you have to do is you need to connect the keyboard 30 pin connector to this one. This is an 8 programmer, and then you just need to connect the ground, and you have to keep the charger ready. Charger should be original, it should be connected, but it should not be switched on. Then you need to connect your programmer to the computer. Once that is done, you need to go to your software. It is called init programmer. Once you do it, you need to select ITE. Once this is done, you need to select the connector. First connect the programmer to connect this forward BIOS or reverse BIOS. See, this is forward, since 30 pin from here to here, it is forward BIOS. So what you have to do, you next need to select your motherboard number. Since this is NM-A362, find your NM-A362, and keyboard connector what we have is 30 pin. So select this. Once you do this, next you need to select apply settings. Once apply setting is done, then we have to do this. Once I click it, I need to turn on the charger. See, it shows selected. Then I can read. Then we have to save this. Okay. We get different types of LEDs. Once this is done, next we can download one this is 128 KB file. We need to download this. See, now that we have downloaded this from a forum, we need to it should be 128 KB. See, we have 128 KB. What we have saved is also almost 128 KB. See, this one is what we have saved now. So next we'll just select and reprogram it. You need to click right, then select this, and it will start doing its work. See, that thing got completed. Now it will verify on its own and then give us a successful message.